Indian Union government is reportedly targeting 30% of ethanol blending with the petrol by 2030 to reduce the dependence on the imported oil further while the addressing of the environmental issues. Also, ethanol, that is a byproduct of the sugarcane processing, can be mixed with petrol, cutting down on the fossil fuel consumption and reducing the harmful carbon emissions. One of the primary biofuels, ethanol, is naturally produced through the fermentation of sugar by the yeast or through the petrochemical processes like the ethylene hydration. Also, it is widely used not just by the alternative fuel sources but also by various European countries and various industries as a chemical solvent, and is also the synthesis of the organic compounds. Ethanol have also medicinal application as the antiseptic and disinfectant. The practice of blending ethanol with the petrol began in India in the 2001 as a pilot project. Also, the public sector oil marketing companies, that is OMC, achieved a target of 10% ethanol blending in June 2022. This increased to 20% by March 2025. Most of the original equipment manufacturers, that is OMEs, also in India have already updated their vehicles with the E20 fuel compliant engines. E20 fuel is a petrol blended with the 20% ethanol under the ethanol blended petrol, that is EBP program. The government fixed the target of introducing vehicles with the E20 fuel tuned engines from the April 2025. Also, the vehicles running on the E20 fuel experiencing a slight decrease in the mileage compared to petrol achievement over the years. An indicative target of 20% ethanol blending with the petrol was initially set for 2030 under the EBP program. However, in 2020, the Cabinet Committee on the Economic Affairs, that is CCEA, advanced this target to 2025. In the statement dated January 29, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas said that during the last 10 years, as of 2024, ethanol blending with the petrol by the public sector OMC has resulted in approximate savings of more than 1 lakh crore of the foreign exchange and crude oil substitution of about 193 metric ton. Also, ethanol handled fuel in March 2024, the Union Minister of the Petroleum and the Natural Gas, that is Hardeep Singh Puri, introduced the ethanol handled fuel, which was available at select outlets across the New Delhi, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. With its high octane rating, typically between 100 to 105, ethanol handled fuel is climbed to the idea for the high performance engines, ensuring improved efficiency and power output. It can also be used in the flex fuel